Hey everybody, we're opening a printer magic maker.
This is a fungear 3D printing pin that Evie just gave me for Father's Day like 1 minute ago, right?
Even it can go up and it can go out. It's not just flat.
Yeah, that's right. So look, we're gonna take it out of the box.
And look at the castle on the side.
Yeah.
The castle is big.
We're gonna take it out of the box and try it out right now.
Yeah. Daddy gets to do it first because it's his present from us.
Oh, thank you.
And then I get to try it on next.
Here's some instructions.
Take this out.
Here's things that you can do it on. Oh wait, it's a directions. Here's how you do the Eiffel Tower.
I'll open these.
And butterfly. That's cool. Here, hang on.
These are kind of hard to open.
Maybe your mom can go cut these open.
Can I cut them?
Thank you. Let's get this out. Looks like that. Takes those little plastic rolls that you just saw on there. And I wonder if it has any charge here. Okay, we're gonna move the camera around so you can see what we're doing.
Oh.
Okay, so we got the thing out, and this is the back, this is the front.
And we got this out.
Yeah, we got these little things. And I think you just load this in this hole here. And then push this button here.
Might be kind of loud.
Oh. All right, it's coming out. It's heating up and coming out.
I can already see the black. Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Let's make a little doggy. Okay. It's looking pretty good. Now you just add to the layer, I guess.
That doesn't even look like a doggy to me.
It's going fast.
Oh, it's sideways. Now I can see.
Whoop. Still a little bit hot, but
Can I hold it?
boom. Come on, get up there.
Oh, that was easy.
Boom! Evie. There you go, buddy. What do you think about that?
Oh, interrupt your dog.
What do you think? Yeah?
This is hot.
So thanks for watching. Check out our other videos. Like and subscribe. See you later.
Teacher's pet.
Alright, everybody. I'm back because I made this turtle just now. And I wanted to show it. Check it out. It looks pretty cool.